In this tutorial, we will explain step-by-step how to request the upload of a promotional video for your business on Bizzll. Start by accessing your Business Administration panel. Once inside, go to the side menu and look for the My Business section. Within it, select the Promotional Videos option. On this screen, you will be able to see all the promotional videos you currently have active. It is important to keep in mind that you cannot have more than 5 active promotional videos at the same time. To add a new video, click on the Upload Video Request option. A request form will open. Complete it with the required information and make sure to accept the terms and conditions specific to video publication. Once the request is sent, the Bizzll administration team will automatically receive it. The administration will review your request and will contact you to inform you about its status. If your application is approved, you will receive a link where you should upload the promotional video and the corresponding cover image. Meanwhile, the management team will take care of uploading the video to Bizzll's YouTube channel to later insert it into your business profile on Bizzll.